Since I'm now here at Whole Foods Market, I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Now let's get out of here. Oh no, someone just pulled the fire alarm. Yeah, I agree with you, Junior. Let's get out of here.
Hi, Baby Basher. Welcome back home.
Oh no, I just got a call. Hello, this is Mr. Thompson saying, wait a minute, Baby Basher just pulled the fire alarm at Whole Foods Market? That's it, I'm going to ground him.
Oh my god, Baby Basher, how dare you pull the fire alarm at Whole Foods Market? Now we have to pay a fine thanks to you. And also, you know that the fire alarm can be only used when there's a fire.
That's it. You are grounded for 9 weeks. March upstairs to your room now and think about what you have done.